So today we're going to the Smallest Cog, which, if you didn't know, is Richard Hammond's classic car workshop. He's hosting an event. It's a Christmas event, and it's an incredibly cold day, but it should be good fun. We've already got the car out. It's nice and frosty, cold, a bit damp, but with any luck, it should be a good journey. Quite an eventful journey. We've fogged up quite a few times because it is very cold, but other than that, apart from some steep hills, it's not been too bad. The engine's warmed up quite nicely, so we got up the hills relatively well, and we're almost there now, so I don't quite know where we're going, but I'm sure we'll find it. Morning, we can't roll the windows down because we've got tinsel on them.
Best decorated so far. That should be it, yes. Should be around. Unfortunately, I just will show you where to park and just head up that way.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Morning, Lloyd. Oh, yeah, good.
We didn't get first place, unfortunately, but it was still worth coming. There was a lot of people, a lot of cars, and we've met some good people today. So we're on our way back now. It's a lot warmer than it was, which is handy, and hopefully the weather will keep nice for the journey home.